Now the next topic is moving toolbars. So these are two toolbars and these are handles through which we can drag this, okay, like this. So we can arrange toolbars by dragging these handles, okay, like this. And how to create a new document? File, new, and then from here you can get different option like which kind of document you want to prepare. This is text document, then spreadsheet, it is like Microsoft Excel, and in OpenOffice it is Calc. Then presentation, that is Impress, drawing, database, etc. So this is how we can create a new file. And the shortcut key to create new file is Control plus N. Okay, using Control plus N key we can create a new file. Now creating from template. The option is File, Templates, and then Organize. Now from here you can have different options. Okay, and if you want to download from internet, then from here you can import template. Okay, and templates are what? Ready-made designs that you can use to create a particular formatting in your document. Then saving a file, that is file, save option. Okay, and if the file is already saved, you will see it like this. It is not highlighted, like this is highlighted, this one is highlighted, but save is not highlighted. That means we cannot select this option. It means that the file is already saved with latest editing. And if you want to save it with different name or at different location, at that time save as option is there, and it will allow you to save this file with another name or at different location. Okay, so location you can select from here and file name you can change from here. Now how to save the document automatically? So there are tools, options are there, then there is one option, load or save. Okay, click on this. Okay, and then general option is there. Okay, and here you can see that save auto recovery information every 15 minutes. That means if you are working in the file and if you forget to save it, then automatically every 5 minutes this file will get saved from the system. Okay, it is saved automatically every 5 minutes. This we can reduce or increase this time limit. Okay, like this. And so if we are working, we should not remember to save the changes that we are making. It will be saved automatically while working only. Then saving this file. Right now this is ODT file. Okay, so text document that we are creating in writer, it is having .odt for extension. And if you want to save it in Microsoft Office format, at that time select from save as type, and here different options are there. Microsoft Word 97 2000 XP version or 95 or Microsoft Word 6. Okay, like this. Here also different options are there. So we can save it in, even if we are creating it in writer, that is in OpenOffice, we can save it with for Microsoft Office version. So for that, file save as option is there. Now saving file with password. Now if you want to save it with password so that no one can open this file without giving password, at that time file save as, and then here you have one option, save with password. Okay, and now I am saving it with some password. File is for example abc.odt. On desktop I am saving, save, and now it will ask you to give password. For example, I am giving password India. Now this is encryption password. Okay, this is for if someone is after opening that file, if someone want to edit your content, at that time you can create a new password for editing also. Okay, so that without this password no one can edit this. Press OK. Okay, now I am closing this, and here abc.odt is there on desktop. I am opening this file. Now it is asking me to enter password to open this file. I am typing the password that I have given, that is India, and OK. Now it is opening. Okay, so this way you can secure your file with password so that no one else can view the content inside your file. Now there are different views of the page or file that you have created. So from view you can have print layout or web layout. Okay, this is print layout, this is web layout. Okay, now here plus and minus two buttons are there. This is for enlarging the view or decreasing the view of this document. When you keep pressing any of this button, you will have that much size of view on your screen. Same way here, it is alignment. Right now it is 120% of actual size in view. So we can directly go to right click and directly select any particular value, or we can arrange it like this: page width. According to page width it will be arranged, or according to entire page. That means the whole page will be visible on your screen. This is actual 100%. In view there is full screen view. Okay, this is control shift and J, that is shortcut key for full screen, or you can go to view and full screen. Okay, and to move out of this we have to press escape key. So view, full screen, and then escape key to exit that full screen view. Now there is another option, that is view and zoom. Okay, here different options are there. Optimal zoom, fit width and height. Fit width 100%, that is actual. Then variable, that means you can change percentage of zoom level. This is view layout, automatic, single page and column wise. Okay, then to close this file there is two close buttons. Okay, this first close button, that is lower than the this red button. So this is for file close. Okay, this will close this file, but OpenOffice Writer window will be there. It will not close application, only the open file. Okay, like this. If we close this, then it will close OpenOffice also.